y'all, and welcome back to my channel. I wanted to give y'all a quick update on my garden area and what I have done so far. Gonna eventually be the way I want it, my dream garden. And what in the world? Is that a snake or a worm over there? Hold on, y'all. What is that? I'm talking like I'm whispering like it's gonna hear me. Oh, it's a worm. My chickens would love that. Let me catch it. Took these two sunflowers out of my pot that I had up here. I figured they needed a little more dirt than what was provided in that metal bucket right there. And those are my geraniums. Ended up putting my sunflowers down here beside this tomato plant. And I only had 2 of the seeds that took, so that's all I ended up with that. And also I planted my prickly pear right here in this corner. And I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna extend my garden box out. I'll probably do maybe 4 or 5 feet over, and that way it'll give that prickly pear room to spread. And I'm gonna box it in like I did all of this and build it up with dirt too, and that way it'll have its own little section there, and it won't interfere with, you know, the rest of my garden that I have going here. And so it's a slow progress, but the important thing is it's getting done. And if you want that garden in your backyard and it's not going to get done just sitting there, you know, looking at things on Pinterest, get out there in that backyard and start working on it and get it done. Doing these videos is helping me, be motivated to get my, garden done the way I want it. And this is the view from this end, so you can see how our ditch runs underneath our pool deck there. And then right here is this side where I want to put another one of these raised bed gardens on each side. And I don't know, I was thinking, what do y'all think? If I was to put a raised bed on this side and then I have this side, I wonder how it would look to do a cattle panel in an arch from one box to the other, and then I can walk down this ditch underneath it and pick my vegetables and stuff, and whatever ones that, like if I did some pole beans and stuff. And I think that would probably look so cute. And that is a thought that I had. The reason I had went ahead and decided to do the raised bed on this side, I thought that would be so cute to do that and walk down through that ditch and pick those, because it doesn't stay wet all year long, just when it rains. And I thought, well, that would be so cute. So what do y'all think? Let me know in the comments. And I'm gonna get off of here so I can get my my plants that I got today planted. I've got to decide, where I'm gonna put those. I got these 2 thornless blackberries right here. The thornless blackberries that I got, I gave $9.98 each for those. And I'm gonna keep an eye out on them because they might mark some of those down and I'll wind up going back and getting those half price. And another thing that I did that's really cute is I put these tropical plants right here on each side of my bridge on this end, and those will get I think those get probably about 4 feet tall, and they have the purple flowers on it. My favorite color is purple. They are so beautiful. And let me get the name of those. There's the name of that. And these were actually on sale. They're $14.98. I didn't give but $5 each for those. And I only got one, and what I did was I split it. So I actually got one for $5, and then I split it. My mom got the other one. We bought 2 plants. She took one with her, and I had just decided that I would split it. So if you see these kind of plants, you can get one and split it in half, and you'll end up with 2 plants for $5. And so that is what I did there. And right here I've got some I put in And I wish that I'd put in more beans, but this is my first year doing beans. But green beans is my favorite food, one of my favorite foods. And I wished I'd done more. So, but I ended up planting these, starting these seeds late. These are 2 rattlesnake that came up. And right here is some okra, a row of that I've got going right there. So, and then I've got random pepper plants and tomato plants and stuff in different parts of my yard that I actually need to probably transplant some of those over here or put those in. Well, actually, you know, I could probably, before I put my box in, I could probably dig away some of this dirt right here and just plant a row of those tomatoes down through here. I'm random, y'all. I'll probably do that because they seriously need to be thinned out. But that is what I'm doing today, and it's getting later in the day and the sun's behind the trees, and I've got to get my yard in the front cut. And so between now and tomorrow, I've got to do all the things that I had just said that I would, you know, I got to plant these plants, and that'll be first before I try to transplant any tomato plants. But I will get off of here. I will talk to y'all later. Y'all have a great day. Please like, subscribe. Bye, y'all.